The MG3710A Vector Signal Generator has an arbitrary waveform generator with an upper frequency of 6 GHz and an internal RF modulation bandwidth of 160 MHz. It outputs wireless signals for cellular communications, such as LTE, WCDMA, and GSM, as well as wireless LAN, WiMAX, Bluetooth, GPS, and narrowband communications. The dual waveform memory can be used to combine and output wanted and interference signals from one RF output to test RX characteristics. It reduces equipment costs by eliminating the need for 2 modulation signal sources for adjacent channel selectivity, blocking, and intermodulation tests. The dual RF outputs cut costs and setup times for testing MIMO, where phase synchronization between equipment is required. This function is important for tests using separate signals, such as multi-system and multi-band tests. The MG3710A Vector Signal Generator has various functions for configuring a streamlined test environment to help reduce future test costs as wireless equipment evolves.